What is different is that whenever I get hyper or whenever I'm nervous or I'm stressed or I'm sad or I'm upset, I feel like he's the one person that gives me so much strength in that moment. And I think what separates him from everyone is that he's one of the best listeners that I think I've been blessed with. I think a man that just listens to you and does not always have an opinion or something to say back, but just listens to you. I think that makes me feel, so important and relevant in that moment. I truly like it.
मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले ओ हो मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले ओ हो मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले
Her confidence, her independence, the way she confidently carries herself, and the way she respects me and loves me is impeccable. Like even when I'm not in the room, she's always always praise me, always have good things to say about me, and always guide me in the right direction. She's been one of my biggest support.
लाडो मेरी पार्वती लाडो मेरी पार्वती चलो जमाई राजा
I'm super excited, and fortunately I'm not stressed. I think I'm ready to get married. So yeah, I'm very happy.
इट्स लाइक कल ही मेरी एंगेजमेंट हुई थी. ऐसा लगता है कि कल ही हमारी एंगेजमेंट हुई थी और अभी इतनी जल्दी 1 साल निकल गया वो बात को. वी आर ऑलरेडी नियरिंग अ वेडिंग. इन अ फ्यू आवर्स आई विल बी ऑफिशियली मैरिड. Can't believe it's happening. Very excited. Lot of mixed emotions, but excitement tops all of the emotions.
तेरे लिए थे बांधे मैंने सारे मन्नतों के धागे. जिंदगी रांझना मेरा तेरे मैं सदके जावा वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरी मैं राह सजावा वे आया रांझना मेरा तू धुन में शहनाई वे आया रांझना मेरा तू मेरी परछाई
He wants to come back home and he wants to give me a call and tell me all about his day. Like, no matter how that day is, good, bad, happy, sad, he wants to come back and he wants to have a conversation with me. And it makes him happy, it makes me happy, and I think we go to sleep every night feeling amazing. So I think that's what is the best part about him.
खुशियों का मेरे सारे तू ही तो है बहाना छोटा सा मैं एक पल कोई तू है सारा जमाना रब रूठे तो रूठे पिया तू कभी ना रूठे बस यही मैं मांगू दुआ कभी जो तारा टूटे वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरे मैं सदके जावा वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरी मैं राह सजावा वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरे मैं सदके जावा वे आया रांझना मेरा तेरी मैं राह सजावा
I'd really like to thank my father for everything that he has done. From day one till now, ever since the wedding since we decided to have a destination wedding, he has been on top of everything, making sure that no details are left untouched. Every single minute thing he has micromanaged to the level of perfection. Like, he is literally a one-man army. He does everything himself, and while doing everything he makes sure that he has not missed out on his work and all. He's my idol and I always look up to him.